Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ivanes Kasmi, NIM 2024320057. In this video, I will present my multimedia practicum project. In this practicum, I create a simple web page about the history of multimedia development using HTML and CSS. I will explain the process and the result based on the give instruction starting from the article creation until the final design of the website. Okay, one article history of multimedia development. Explanation in this practicum, I create an article about the history of multimedia development. The article is a great step by step, starting from the basic definition of multimedia. It's a development of over time and this application in daily life. First, the article explains that multimedia is a combination of elements such as text, image, audio, video, and animation used to deliver information in an interactive way. Then is describe how multimedia evolved from traditional print media into digital media with the advancement of computer technology and the internet. Nowadays, multimedia has become more advanced with features like interactive video and animation. Finally, the article explains the application of multimedia in various fields such as education, entertainment, business, and communication. For example, multimedia is used in learning, movie, games, digital presentation, and social media. This structure help readers understand the topic clearly from basic to practical use. The article is created using HTML explanation. In this practicum, the article is created using HTML, hypertext markup language as the main structure of the web page. HTML is used to organize and display the content in a clear and structured way. Several HTML texts are used such as H1 for the main life, for the main title, H2 for subheadings like chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3, and P for paragraph. Additionally, UL and 1I text are used to create a bullet point in the application section. The HTML structure start with HTML followed by head, which contains the title and the link to the CSS file, and body, which contains all the content. Using HTML make the web page structure and easy to read. 3. Styling, use CSS in a splatter file. Explanation to improve the appearance of the web page. CSS casting style sheets is used in a separate file called style CSS. This method keep the HTML clean and makes styling easier to manage. In CSS, several properties are used such as background color to set the background color, font family to define the font style, color to set text color, margin and padding to control spacing, border to create outlines, and box shadow to add shadow effect. A class like BAB is also used to style its section with a purple background. White text and border with CSS, the website become more visually appealing, neat and comfortable to read. 4. The article contains as last 3 subchapter. Explanation. The article consists of the main subchapter. Chapter 1, definition of multimedia. Chapter 2, development of multimedia, and chapter 3, application of multimedia. These sessions are arranged in a local order, starting from basic concept to real life application. This structure help reader understand the content more easily and clearly. 5. Each chapter contains at least one paragraph explanation. Each chapter include at least one paragraph to explain the topic. In some parts, more than one paragraph is added to provide more detailed information. In chapter 3, bullet points are also used to present example of multimedia application. This make the content easier to read and understand without relying only on long paragraph. Number 6, add student ID use purple as the dominant color. Explanation: since my student ID is out, the dominant color used in this design is purple. This color is applied to the background, heading, and content box. The combination of purple with white text creates a good contrast, making the content easy to read while still looking visually attractive. Even student ID use yellow as the dominant color explanation. For student with an even student ID, the dominant color is yellow, which give a bright and energetic impression. However, this is not applied in the project because my student ID is out. Number 8, last, the design is made as attractive as possible. Explanation: the web design is improved by adding borders around the title and ad section, making the layout more structured and organized. The title used Times New Roman to create a cleaner and more format look. Shadow effect, box shadow are added to add section to give a sense of depth, making the design look more modern. Proper spacing using margin and padding is also applied to avoid overreading and improve readability. With the combination of purple color, borders, shadow, and proper spacing, the website become more attractive, neat, and comfortable to read. Okay, that all of my multimedia practicum presentation. Through this project, I learned how to create a simple web page using HTML and CSS, and how to design a clean and attractive layout. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.